In this video, we'll go over the best catering options for your New Zealand business in 2020. Hey, it's William here from the Food Truck League. We help businesses connect with food trucks across New Zealand. So you've been assigned with the catering for your office party. We can help take some of the stress away by answering some of the big questions as you plan for your event. How much does it cost? When to book? Deposits? Variety of different dietary needs and offerings? Location? Stick around until the end of the video to find out our top tip for catering your business event. How much does it cost? Most food trucks have a minimum charge that is in the vicinity of $1,500. Other cost factors to consider are the traveling times to the destination and what type of food is being served. The second thing to consider is the meal size. Trucks can offer mini meals, medium-sized and larger portions, depending on the group and the setting. It's really good to work out what you want to spend per person and then talk about the portions. If you aren't sure of the numbers for your event, most trucks have the capacity to cook more servings on the day in case extras suddenly appear and you need more food. Any extra meals will be on-charge afterwards, so it would be good to work out beforehand how your budget could cover this. For deposits at the Food Truck League, we ask for the full amount pre-event so we can guarantee the best truck for you. When to book a business-related event depends on the season and the events happening in your region. For December, Christmas parties, getting in a few months ahead of your date is highly recommended. Midweek events in spring and summer will be easier to fill than weekends as the wedding season begins. In New Zealand, for the colder months from April to October, booking at least 10 days ahead is recommended. During this booking stage, it is really important to have the details on hand. We have an online booking request form that covers everything we need to get started. It saves a lot of time pre-event with emails and phone calls. If you go through a truck directly, they may have different requirements and booking systems. To save time for everybody, have all the information ready for them from the outset. What to eat depends on what people want. Food trucks have an incredible variety of options. The style of food is also something to consider. It can be as varied as Thai, Mexican, or wood-fired pizza. Many trucks offer a range of vegetarian, gluten-free, and plant-based menu options. Before you get in contact with the trucks, survey your co-workers and ask about their dietary needs and food preferences. If there are enough numbers or budget, multiple trucks and offerings could be on site to give your business a great party atmosphere. Location and accessibility can make or break your event. Do you have a flat space with enough room for your group size? If the truck has a deep fryer, it needs to be level. Also, trucks come in various sizes. Can the truck access your site easily? Is there a backup plan in case of bad weather? What about power supply? Trucks that have a generator are always the first priority for us because of their flexibility. Our top tip for a business event is to use a ticket system to redeem meals. If more food is requested, this can be monitored so you stay within budget. A great feature of trucks is that they have the capacity to serve more if it's needed. Looking for food truck catering for your business? Drop us an email or give us a call to find out more about local legends in your area.